Welcome to this first lesson on how to create an interactive lesson using Microsoft Forms. Microsoft Forms is a Microsoft tool that can be used to create various forms to collect data from parents or students, and it can also be used to create quizzes. However, the Assessments feature in Schoology makes the use of Microsoft Forms for quizzes unnecessary. That being said, the quiz feature in Microsoft Forms has a branching option which makes it ideal to create informal interactive lessons. In this tutorial, you will develop the skills necessary to create interactive lessons using Microsoft Forms. In order to begin, navigate to www.office.com/launch/forms. Then, click on the New Quiz button. Before we start creating the lesson, let's look at some of the setup options we will use for this lesson. Click on the Collect Responses button in the upper right-hand corner. In the pop-up window, you can choose who can respond and how many times. For an interactive lesson, I would suggest either anyone can respond or only people in my organization can respond. For the purposes of this lesson, I'm going to choose anyone can respond. In this window, you can also choose how to share your form. You can share by sending a link, sending an invitation to a person or a group of people, sending a QR code, or using an embed code. Typically, I would suggest that you use the embed code and embed the form in Schoology. Now let's close this window. Next, click on the ellipsis button for more options and select Settings. Under the category Options for Quiz, make sure that the Show Results Automatically is turned on. Students should be able to receive immediate feedback. Under the category Who can fill out this form, you have already entered this information under the Collect Responses section, and so we will skip this section. Then, under Options for Responses, there are a couple of options that you will want to choose. When you are ready for students to respond to this lesson, be sure that the Accept Responses option is selected. I would also select Customize your thank you message. Here's a sample of a message that is used in our project. This completes this lesson on setting up your Microsoft Form for creating an interactive lesson. In our next tutorial, you will learn how to do some pre-planning before starting to create your lesson.